What is up, everybody? It's me, BananaBird72, obviously, and I'm back with another Beyblade Burst unboxing and review. This one is on Demise Devolos and Mirage Fafnir. I've heard mixed reviews on Fafnir, and I haven't heard much on Devolos, but I don't know. It's the back box. Those are your stats. Fafnir finally has its rubber back, which is cool. So let's open these suckers. Come on. Don't be mean, Fafnir. Come on. Come on. I need to sharpen this thing. Standard launchers, all that stuff. Nobody reads the instructions. There, and get the knife out of it. Alright, here are the Beyblades. Start with Fafnir. Fafnir indeed has rubber, but it doesn't feel like El Drago rubber. You know what I'm saying? El Dragos felt a lot softer than this. And here's your code for the game. So you're welcome. Comes with 1A. It sort of sad that it doesn't come with Fafnir's actual chassis disc, but these are so small that it wouldn't have mattered if it did or didn't. So, but the green color is still cool. And now for my big disappointment, the nothingness driver. It does not compress. What the heck, Hasbro? You got plenty of room to do so. I mean, for crying out loud, your slingshot absorb had it. I'm pretty sure when you made Drain Fafnir, it had it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. Maybe if they make a metal fused version, it'll have the spring. I don't know. And now to Devolos. The chip is pretty cool looking. Looks a lot like Venom Devolos chip. Pretty neat. Here's your code. And here's the Demise ring. Very reminiscent of Venom. And now the 1B chassis in a light purple. Not really sure if I like that it's a solid filled color instead of like a see-through color, but it's cool. And now for this driver, I forget its name, but yeah, it's a lot like, shoot, I'm forgetting the name, but yeah, it's got these star-shaped spikes that grip the ground and stuff. Oh my good grief. This Fafnir he has any resistance. Oh dear. I can see a lot of slow motion bursts happening. Now for Devolos. Not good, but a lot better than Fafnir. That's for sure. Alright, for Craps and Giggles, after the initial battle test is done, I'm going to swap out Fafnir's driver for Absorb. So, something to look forward to. Here we go. Actually, no. I know exactly what to do. We're hand spinning it for the first one. Oh, that's disappointing. That's somewhat disappointing indeed. Alright, I'm going to do a light launch on Fafnir, and then we'll see what happens. Jeez. Alright, it's a tie. I think Fafnir got a little bit of spin stealing in there. Actually, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Come on, Devolos. I know you want to show off your stuff, but we're trying to test Fafnir's spin stealing ability. Hold on. Dang, I can't spin steal this tall Beyblade. Jeez. I used to be able to hand spin Fafnir, or Geist Fafnir, really well, and this Fafnir is so dang tall, I can't get a good hand launch on it anymore. It sucks. That was a full launch. And that's why the tall launchers suck. The tall drivers suck. Alright. Changing out driver for Absorb. Feels a little bit better, but maybe I can actually hand spin it correctly. One way to find out, though. Yeah, that's a lot better. Come on, actually touch Fafnir so you can actually spin steal from him. Alright, spin again. Fafnir won by a half rotation. It would help if Devolos would actually go for the center of the stadium. Just a little bit of a recommendation. Come on. But no, I'm not complaining about Devolos' performance. It's actually very much surprising me. Alright. Let's try hand spinning it again. Or maybe jump starting it. Oh, flipped it over. Blah. Alright, let's get some actual testing with Absorb now. Now Absorb is actually staying in the middle of the stadium. Why? Because almost all the Speedstorm drivers, sorry to distract you from your battle, if you can see, which you can't, these tips are flat. Ooh, Fafnir got bursted. Alright, just for... this battle test is just a mess. I understand that, but I'm having so much fun watching Devolos No joke. Devolos is actually amusing me. But the reason why Absorb stays in the center and this one does not is because almost all the Speedstorm drivers, even if they were Sharps originally, are all flat. So they can go around the stadium and Speedstorm. But neither here nor there. Alright, here we go. See? Ooh, now that's some impact. Oh! Busted! Blah. Oh, that was awesome. That was so cool. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. Those battles, those in real life battles were cool, but now for the in-game stats, so you can have some epic in-game battles. All right, final thoughts time. Disappointment exceeded expectations. To be honest, when I saw all the other reviews on Fafnir having it having weak burst resistance, not having its actual chassis, and the driver not compressing, that was depressing. Haha, rhyme time. But and the rubber seems way too hard to actually get any real spin stealing. But the detail is there, and that's good. Now for Devolos, I liked watching the last few battles. They were cool. Despite having so many failed hand spin attempts, mainly because this driver's so frickin' tall, I can't get a good spin on it, and that it's not sharp. But yeah, this one 6 out of 10. This one 9 out of 10. I would like this to be then see-through purple, and maybe a little darker. But overall, I can't complain about the Devolos, and that's that. So I hope I've given you an educated purchase. Next time you're into shop for Beyblades. Other than that, live, like, subscribe. We're 72. I am out.